To try the extension, make sure that developer mode is switched on. Let me build the extension by using npm run build. In the left side, you will see a new folder called dist is created. This is what we need to upload in our Chrome. Now, as this is an unpacked extension, we have to click on load unpacked. So this is only for testing purposes. Now here we can see the dist folder, right? Just click on this and select folder. All right, our extension is loaded. From here, let me pin my extension, and here is our extension Capture Pro. So we have a lot of features. I'm going to show you one by one. First, we have capture, which is basically screenshot. So we have three mode. The first one is visible. So here is just the visible part of the page we can take a screenshot of. Then we have custom. So let's say I want to take screenshot of certain part of the page, like this one. So here we have that. So you can save it in different format and save this. All right. Last we have is which is full page. So basically it takes the screenshot of the whole page. Let me show you what I mean. It takes the picture screenshot of the whole page. Next we have is record. So it is like recording the screen but with loads of features. So you can switch on your microphone. We have keyboard shortcut as well. System audio. If you want camera, you can switch on camera. Let me switch on my camera and show you. So the quality, I would keep it as, I think I will keep it as default. Now we have also a lot of advanced features. Let me do that later on. Just let me show you first. Entire screen, yes. And as you can see, we have a numbering also. So here is the camera. You can make this bigger or smaller. You can drag and keep it anywhere you want. So it's a good feature. And let's say for some reason you want to hide your camera for a few seconds, you can click on this eye option and you see it's hidden. Now when I click this again, the camera shows some of the few features. We have more. Let me show you. And here you can see we have advanced settings. Let me change the camera frame to circle, and we can add border. So let me choose dotted border color. I think I'll choose it red. Opacity, I will increase it to 80 and I will make it a bit thicker. Flip camera, you can also. Now we want to add logo. Yes, let me add a logo. I have a Superman shield logo here. Let me upload that. So the logo size, I think I'll keep it medium. And the cursor, you can also change your cursor. I will choose a square cursor. Let me make the cursor a bit bigger. Annotation bar, yes, we have annotation bar as well. Live timer, yes, let me switch that on as well. Let me click on save changes. All right, it's saved. Let me close this and let me start the recording. Here we have our screen recording. In the top right, you can see the timer. The timer will be not seen by in the recording, but it's for as a reference. And we have annotation bar and we have the logo as well, so you can just drag it wherever you want. And we have annotation bar. Let me click on, see, you can draw. Now we have some square option also. Let's see, you want to highlight something. All right, if you want to close, you can just click on the close icon. And we have a rectangle shape as well. So we have just a basic annotation. If you want, you can add more annotation. I just kept it simple. So when recording done, you just click on stop sharing and it will be stopped. So another option we have is text, save notes. All right, let me type something. Example, like if you want to add a tag, you can add a tag, say food, you can save. If you want to see what you have written, you can click on this and you can read your text. You can remove this. Also, we have a backup option as well. So you can backup save text and you can also re-upload this. So this is a very small features that we have added. Now in the info section, you update according to the name of your company. So this is all the features we have. We have still a lot of features, like we haven't even showed you 70% of our features yet. The rest of our features are inside more. So let me click on that. So as you can see, we have an image editor. We have crop, then we can flip. As you can see, we have flip options. We can rotate. So we can draw as well. We can insert shapes. If you want, you can add text as well. So this is a very well packed image editor with lot of options. Next we have is Screenshot Beautify. So you can resize it. We can change the background. All right. We can move this. We have a gradient also. I think let me add a candy one. All right. So if you want shadow, yes, let me add some shadow. You want to rotate, you can rotate this. Rotate, keep this like this. We can add frame as well. So we have few frame options. Now we can add pattern as well. Let's say if you want dotted grid, let me choose grid. Let me lower the intensity. Let me rotate this, and we can also increase some power. I think yeah, that looks better. And we have also option to upload a logo. Let me upload a logo. Yes, here we have the Superman logo here. So you can choose which corner you want. You can add text. Just double click on this example title. All right, let me make this a bit bigger so that you can see. We can change the color as well. So yeah, this is our screenshot beautify. So you can beautify your screenshot from here. All right, this looks nice. So next we have is compress image. Let me upload a screenshot. Let me choose 80% is fine, and we keep everything default. And when we click on apply compression, we can see that it compressed from 3 MB to 1 MB. That's it. Then you can download this, or if you want to, you can upload a new one. Next option we have is called watermark. So here, now let me type a text. Yes, first you have to enable the watermark. So you can see this. Now let me increase the size a bit, also the opacity, so that you can see few options. We have tiling, we have diagonal, and we have grid. You can increase the spacing. So the less the spacing, the more the watermark you are going to see. Now let me choose single, and we have also randomize options, so it will randomize the watermark. You can increase the rows as well, so how many rows you want, columns, rotations. Next we have is image converter. So it's quite self-explanatory. You can convert to any of this format. So let's say we have a PNG and we want to convert it to JPG. Just click on convert and you'll get a download option. Click on this, and as you can see, it's in JPG format. Next we have is some AI features. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 AI features. To use these AI features, we need API key. So where we'll get that? You have to get that from replicate.com. From there you have to get your API key. So here you can get your API tokens. So let me copy mine and let me paste it here. Then you have to save the key. Now you can use these AI features. This is not only the AI features you can use. There are like thousands of options from Replicate that you can use. You can use a lot of features and add them in the extension. I have just only added 4. If you want, you can add more. I have also included the cost estimations as well. Like for $1, you can run up to 1020. All right, so each has their own different costings. So it's very cheap. The first one is image colorizations. Let me download an white and black image. Let me download this. Now let me upload our image here and colorize this image. So you can also see real time what's happening from here as well. Go to the dashboard. Here it says succeeded. So it took us 0.8 seconds. So that's what's quite fast. So let me go back. Yes, as you can see, the image has been colorized. Next, let me remove the background. Let me choose the same image and let us click on remove background. All right, so the background has been removed. As you can see, there's no background here, only the flower. Next we have is an upscaler and enhancer. Let me choose the Superman shield. Succeeded. As you can see, it's upscaled the image. Now the lines and everything is more clear, and the image is also bigger. If you download this, and the image, as you can see, the size is 795 KB and the actual one is 23 KB, so it's quite large now. Next we have is face restorations. Upload the image and click on restore face. Alright, as you can see, the face restoration is done. And that's all. And if you want, you can add more AI options. Thank you.